Welcome to Alan's Money Tips, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Alan Gilman of Verico Mega Mortgage, the #1 mortgage choice for home buyers. Now, here's your money tips.
Purchasing a home is a big step. Here are 7 factors for choosing the right home at the right price. Factor number 1, how long you'll live there. The transaction costs of buying and selling a house are substantial, including real estate fees, legal fees, selling in a down market, moving, etc. If you don't plan to live in your new home for at least 3 to 5 years, you may not gain enough equity to make selling worthwhile. In that case, you're probably better off not buying in the first place. Factor number 2, how much house you need. Buying a cheaper, smaller house can end up costing you extra if you have to move right away due to a growing family. On the other hand, buying more house than you need incurs extra maintenance, energy, and tax costs. Factor number 3, your credit rating. The higher your credit score, the lower your mortgage rate will be. Spend at least a year improving your credit. Check your credit report and correct any errors. Don't apply for any new credit. Stay well below your credit limits and pay your bills on time. Factor number 4, closing costs. While you're saving your down payment, save for closing costs too. They're typically 3 to 5% of the purchase price. Factor number 5, your realtor. Using a realtor can help focus your search, find more listings, save time, and there's no cost to the buyer. Factor number 6, what you can afford. As your local mortgage advisor, we can analyze your situation a year or so in advance and tell you how much house and monthly payments you can afford. To test how comfortable those payments will be, start banking that amount every month, less what you're paying right now. Not only will that stimulate ownership, it also helps you save for a down payment. And lastly, factor number 7, pre-approval. Before you start shopping, we can get you pre-approved for a mortgage. This tells you exactly how much you can spend and lets you respond more quickly because you don't have to make conditional offers. For more information on the home purchasing process, call us today.
Thank you for tuning into this episode of Alan's Money Tips. If you have any questions or comments, please call Alan today at 613-552-1572.